Ripple Wu and Susan Lee. We're from McGrath Box Hill.
Welcome to 3 Centaur Grove, Doncaster East. We're excited to show you inside.
Fully renovated with quality fitting features, this 5-bedroom offers multiple living area, beautiful balcony with mountain view.
Perfectly positioned within the prized East Doncaster Secondary College zone, it is just moments away from shops, cafes and parks. There is so much that this home offers, and we look forward to meeting you at the next open for inspection.
Any questions or need a proper inspection? Contact us in Mandarin, English or Vietnamese. We're here to assist. 欢迎